Hello viewers, today we are going to create a plant pot with a snake plant pot. We are using Blender 4.4.3 as you can see. So let's start. A to delete all, numpad 1, shift A, mesh cube. So we are going to first into edit mode while pressing tab. Press 3 to go on face selection. Select the upper face. Delete faces. Select all by pressing A. Now Ctrl B to bevel. Use mouse slider to add cut loops. It's enough. Now press 1. Click on this vertex. Press Alt. Click on another. It will select a loop around an object. This one. Yes. Enable proportionality. GZ. GZ. Yes. With this also. Yes. Yes. There's it, I think so. By pressing 3, go to face selection. Press this one. Yes, nice looking pot for now. Now go to modifiers and modifiers, generate subdivision surface. We're going to generate 3 subdivision surfaces. Apply, again generate, solidify around 0.09. Apply. Yes, there's some nice looking vertices. Now go to, first of all we model a leaf of snake plant. Shift A, plane, RX, R to rotate, X to on X-axis, press 90, enter 90 to rotate it in 90 degree. On X-axis, enter GX, SX to scale it in X-axis. Now tab to go into edit mode. Press 1 to go on vertex selection mode. S E S. As you know, E is for extruding, S for scaling down. G to move vertices. Q, G, 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 G. That's cool. Now we have to add a new material to it. To this one, select the object with new. Press on principal BSDF. Ctrl Shift T to import PBR textures. This one. Sorry. Shift A. ILAGE image texture. Open. D. Yes, wait. Connect it to the base color. Tab, press tab, A to select all, U, and then Smart UV project unwrap. We go to UV editor. It is G. Yes. G. It's looking fine. Yeah. Now make sure to save it. Now we go to the part, shaders editor, press new. Here we are going to apply PBR texture. Control Shift T. Red clay. Select all of these. Principal texture here. Yeah, right. Now Shift A. Cube. Hit 7. Yes. Add modifier. Generate subdivision surface. 3. Go to edit mode. G. We're going to set it. Now the soil. Yeah. Now GZ. Control R for loop cut. Yeah. 1 GZ. Yeah, just nice. Yes. Now we are going to solidify our leaf. First of all, we go to edit and E and S. And add modifier, generate Solidify. For this we are going to 0.2 is enough. Apply it. Then go to add modifiers, generate subdivision surface, and yeah, one is enough. Now select the leaf, hit 7, GX. Now we are going to duplicate it. First of all, GZ 7, Shift T, RZ, RY, G, Shift T, RZ, G, shift R X, G, shift T R Z, G, shift T R Z, G, shift T R Z, R X, R Z, G, shift T R Z, G, shift T R Z, R Y, R X, G, R, G, R, G, G, R, Y, R, X, G, R, G, R, G, R, Z, G, G. Now play around to get a realistic results. We're going to type G, G, shift T R X, G, 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 G. Now in this roughness of 0.700. Now press the image, shift D, duplicate it. Now bump, bump, height map, and we're gonna put it normal map. Join normal. Change render engine to cycles and GPU compute if you have a good graphic card. Now the texture of this soil. Still new. We are also going to put a PBR texture in it. Control Shift T. Yeah, this one. So for this and for this. Nice, look nice. Control S to save it. This one. Shift A. Shift A. G Z S. Now for camera. Shift A. Camera. G Z Y. G Y. G X 3 G Y G X G Y R X G X R Z G Z. Now we are going to place light in our scene. Spotlight GZ. Here are the light settings. 2000. Save it. Now we are going to look at render.